Ever wondered why creatine is one of the most talked about supplements in the fitness world? Or perhaps you've been swayed by the cloud of misconceptions floating around it? Well, buckle up, as we're about to debunk some myths and shed light on the truth about this fascinating compound. Creatine, in its simplest form, is a substance that our bodies naturally produce. It's primarily found in muscle cells and plays a vital role in helping us produce energy during high-intensity exercise. In other words, it's the secret sauce that helps you push harder, lift heavier, and go that extra mile when you're pumping iron or hitting the pavement. But wait, there's more to creatine than just being a gym buddy. Did you know it also supports numerous other functions in our bodies? From improving muscle strength and size to aiding brain health, creatine is like that multi-talented friend we all wish we had. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Here are the main points we've discussed in this video. First up, creatine is not a steroid. It's a safe, natural substance that your body already produces. It's also found in protein-rich foods like red meat and fish. Secondly, creatine is not just for bodybuilders or professional athletes. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a fitness enthusiast, creatine can help you improve your performance and achieve your fitness goals. Thirdly, creatine isn't gender-specific. Yes, ladies, you heard it right. Creatine can be beneficial for you too. It can help increase your strength, improve your body composition, and even support your bone health. Lastly, using creatine isn't a complicated process. It can be as simple as mixing a small scoop of it with your favorite beverage. However, always remember to stay hydrated and not to exceed the recommended dosage. So, there you have it. The truth about creatine, laid bare. It's not a magic pill, but with proper use and combined with regular exercise, it can be a game changer in your fitness journey. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the facts about creatine can help you make informed decisions about your health and fitness. Until next time, keep pushing your limits, stay curious, and remember, your health is your wealth.